Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will be talking about how I am going to trade every single pair that I trade throughout the week, what I'm going to be looking for. Get ready for a YouTube marathon this freaking week. I'm going to be posting a video every single freaking day, no matter what guys, no excuses. Get ready for this. You guys won't want to freaking miss it. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the very end. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe as well. You guys know every single video is a giveaway, so I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Alright gang, let's get into this. I don't want to make this video too long, but I do want to give you guys as much knowledge and content as I possibly can. So I had a comment on the last video that I explained how to use higher time frames. So every single day we're gonna go over here to the monthly time frame, and we are going to start marking off our key level. Key level right here, key level right over here, right? Key level over here, right? Key level over here. So all these levels here are key levels here on the monthly time frame, right? Why are they key levels, right? Because right over here you guys can clearly see reactions all across the board over here. Reaction. All of these are reaction points, right? So this is like pretty much reversal areas, points that I want to know. If we start to break an area, we could possibly come to this area. If we start to break this area, we come to this area. If we start to break this area, we'll come to this area, and then so on and so forth. That's all I see on the monthly time frame. The weekly time frame, we've created like this triple top, but we have respected these lows. So we could have a bullish week here, as long as everything in Ukraine is looking good and nothing too crazy is happening over there. I think that we could possibly see a bullish week. Now, I am prepared for a bearish week as well, right? If we start to come down and respect this low or break this low over here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. We start to break this low right over here, boom. So as long as we stay above this zone, if we stay above this zone guys, you guys can see a push down to the downside all the way back up to this range, to then show us that we are in a range, right? But if we start to come down and break this low guys, I do start to see a setup like this happen, right? Start to come down to touch 149 area once again. Look at the 4-hour time frame. This kind of looks like a bearish confirmation over here. Why do I call this a bearish confirmation guys? It's because if you notice, price comes down with an impulse, then starts to trickle up here, which I don't like to see if we are bullish. I like to see this if we're bearish. Why? Because now this is a micro trend to the upside, right? Micro trend to the upside. Once we break this trend line guys, we will come crashing down. Reason for that, it's a very steep uptrend. So price can easily start to come back down here, to then continue this move that I am expecting to happen, right? So how would I trade this guys? I would trade this just by looking at this over here. We have a no trade range right over here. This is for more of a scalp, right? So I have a scalp position right over here, just patiently waiting for price to either come down and break these lows to then continue down to this area here, right? Or come up and touch this area over here. So if price starts to come up into this area, you guys can then target your buys over here. If price starts to come down over here, you can then target your sells, right? So just be very patient, wait for candlesticks to close, wait for the candle flips and all that stuff, and you guys will be just okay, right? So Euro JPY, I'll be waiting. Let me actually put my alerts here. It's buys right over here. I want to know once this area starts to break, buys above, okay. Guys, like I say, bro, I do this every single week for my VIP program, so if you guys aren't in it, you guys will miss most of my signals for the week. Super simple trading, guys. I try to simplify trading as much as possible because that's how you guys will become profitable. So now we're gonna go up to the weekly time frame here on Euro JPY. Euro JPY had a massive drop over here, but we started to respect this area here, so that does look very nice. As long as we stay above this area, I'm looking to go bullish. We also have like this sort of trendline situation here. Let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame had a fake out. Damn, we closed bullish engulfing candle here, so we could possibly see a bullish week. But as of right now, not really liking how it's setting up. Because we have all this choppiness to the left, so I'll be looking to stay away from Euro JPY. Although if you guys want to trade it, you guys can easily. Let's find my reaction. Yeah, that's a pretty key level right there. So if we start to break up above this level, we can then target this level over here. But what I'm waiting for, guys, is I'm waiting for some reaction here at this level. Some reaction here at this level to then possibly take it down. Or if it starts to break up above, we can start to take it up, right? So nothing too crazy on this position. I don't like how EJ is setting up right now, so just make sure that you guys are understanding that. Now, gold. Take a look here. Gold, what do I see here on gold? Gold is pretty simple. Gold did have a massive drop here. Big rejection candle there on the daily time frame, rejecting these highs over here, which I don't like to see that. So as long as we're under there, I'm pretty bearish. Although I know fundamentally we could want to continue shooting up here, but I need some confirmations above that zone. Now, over here, we have this area here. We need to start and see what price wants to do at these areas here, to see if possibly, because these are my target zones at this point. If we start to break above here, this little area here, and start to trade above this 8 SMA right over here, if we start to trade above this 8 SMA, we can easily target these highs for something to look like this. So some buys above here wouldn't be bad. My alert. And then sells below, definitely some sells below this wick over here would be nice. So just be patient, wait for these trades to play out, set up. So I do trade multiple pairs, guys. I don't just trade DJ, I don't just trade EJ, I trade a lot of freaking pairs, guys. So this is the way I have the most probabilities of winning my trade, because I'm not just stuck on one pair, right? So right over here, boom. Right over here, boom. I'm just carefully drawing out all my levels here that I want to know. 4-hour time frame, boom. So I'll be looking to trade this if we start to come out of these zones. Inside this zone, I'm not looking to take anything because I need some supports and resistances to be created. So far, this is the resistance, the support level over here. So I'm waiting for price to come back down. Either come back down, form some support, right? To then continue up, or come down, or come up, create a resistance for me to then take it, the breakout of this support, continue down. Pretty much all I'm waiting for, guys. Just being patient on these pairs. At the end of the day, it is the start of the week, so I like to take it a little slow here. But again, guys, if we're in the middle of this range, I won't be looking to trade. Although, you know, we can possibly see some reaction points here, right there, pretty clean level there. Not only there, right over here. Boom. So these are the kind of ranges that we're in at the moment. Right over here as well. Boom. So these are the ranges, right? So if price starts to come up here and break this high, you guys can easily see this area get tapped, or this area here. If price starts to break this low, we could easily see this area here getting tapped, right? I'm a reactive trader. I don't just tell the market what to do. I want to see the overall picture and then see where price can come up to tap, right? Because at the end of the day, I react to the market. I don't have a bias. I don't have any of that. I want to see where my buys above area and where's my sells below area, because if we start to tap into that sells below area, I will be looking to take that trade. All right, so US 30, beautiful freaking move we caught. Look at this move we called. Sheesh, insane push. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour, we start to break up above this area right over here. Start to come up and break above. This is the 4-hour time frame though. Not really liking. I need some resistances and supports to be formed for US 30 as well, guys. If we start to come up and break here, I'll be looking, and right over here, and right over here. So once we start to break up, this was a nice clean fake out over here of this area to then take that breakout to the downside. So a big strategy that I like to use, guys, is the fake out breakout strategy. Let's talk about that a little bit, right? Price comes up and starts to break out of this range, right? Price then forms a small range over here and then starts to give you bearish confirmations, right? So now that you've classified this area here as a fake out, all you're waiting for is the bearish confirmation to then execute that position, keeping stops right above previous candle's low. So just even if you want to wait for the candle close, then you put your stops right above your 4-hour candle that was right above there to then target your range, right? We were in a range here, price then can come down and tap into this range, then you can target your other range, then you can target these levels all over here. So that's pretty much all I see here on US 30 over here. US 30 just kind of, you're just chilling, bro. I need something from her. Okay, we have a resistance here on the 15-minute time frame, but I don't like trading off the 15-minute, right? I mean, US 30 you can trade off the 15-minute, but as of right now, we're kind of like in this no trade range, so I'm not really looking to take any positions. As you guys can see, price comes up, rejects, comes down, rejects. So I mean, if we start to come up and break above these highs, we can target these levels. If we start to come up, break below these lows, you can target it all the way down over here. This does seem like a big reaction level over here, and not only that, it looks like a big impulsive move to the upside, so we could get a clean retracement of this move. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I see here on the market. BTC, I'm really hoping that BTC can go long here. My crypto portfolio is not looking too well right now. But we're hodlers, we're gonna continue to hold, we're gonna continue to invest in some cryptos and continue running up a bag all together. This is my first market breakdown ever. So catch you guys on the next video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Also, leave a comment down below. The nicest comment will get a giveaway, guys. So I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Be patient, guys. Don't rush any of these setups I gave you. Be very patient with these setups. That's why I gave you guys so many setups, so that if one doesn't set up correctly, I'm sure that one will, right? So just be patient, guys. Don't tell the markets what to do. React to the market, right? Peace.